Good morning, class. Our topic for today is about statement of cash flows. Chapter 4, Statement of Cash Flows. These are the objectives. Appreciate the significance of the information presented in the statement of cash flow. Identify the sections of the statement of cash flow and classify cash flow into operating, investing, and financing activities. What is a statement of cash flow? It explains the changes in cash, or that is SEF. Cash is an important asset. You can find this in SFP or Statement of Financial Position under current asset. It is an account affected by many transactions. So a cash account, you can classify this whether it is debit or credit. Under debit, these are cash receipts. Under credit, these are cash disbursement. Dito po muna tayo sa debit. For debit, aside from cash receipts, cash sales to customers, collections of customers' accounts or AR, accounts receivable, and your loans and other borrowings as owner of the business. For credit, these are cash disbursement. Ibig sabihin po yung mga cash losses na wala. Ginamit mo for buying something. For example, um, business expenses. Lahat ng gastusin mo sa businesses ay under po ng credit part ng cash account. Purchases of inventories and other assets. Liabilities to creditors. Pagka nagbayad ka sa creditor ng mga nautang mo, okay, i-classify mo yun under credit side of the cash account. And then dividends to owners. Dito naman, papasok to pagdating sa corporation business. Okay, so each owner, meron po silang nare-receive na dividend to be given by the um, main owner. So kapag ka nagbigay ka ng pera, nagbigay ka ng dividends dun sa mga shareholders or stockholders mo, bababa yung cash mo. So ilalagay mo yun sa credit part ng cash account. So again, under cash account, under debit, cash receipts, cash sales to customers, collection of customer accounts, loans and other borrowings. For credit side of cash account, these are cash disbursement, business expenses, purchases of inventories and other assets, liabilities to creditors, dividends to owners. Now, what is SCF or Statement of Cash Flow? It is the financial statement that explains the net change in cash for the year. So, for the headings po, ang ginagamit po natin dyan, name of the owner, for example, Euclid Enterprise, Statement of Cash Flow, for the year ended December 31, 20X1. The statement shows the transactions for the year that reconciles the beginning balance of cash to its year-end balance. So pag gagawa po tayo ng SCF or Statement of Cash Flow, yung beginning balance po natin ay manggagaling sa previous year. Yan po ay makikita po ninyo sa Statement of Financial Position or sa Statement of Cash Flow ng previous year. So yung magiging net cash po doon, kukunin po ninyo yun. And then, yun naman ay ipapasok nyo o ire-report nyo sa susunod na year. So, yun yung tinatawag na yung magiging total po nun, yung beginning balance, okay, ng previous year at saka yung cash balance ng sumunod na year, ito-total nyo para makuha nyo po yung year-end cash balance ng business. Another information about cash. Cash plays a very important role in the economic life of a business. A firm needs cash to make payment to its supplier, to incur day-to-day expenses, and to pay salaries, wages, interest, and dividends, and etc. In fact, what blood is to a human body, cash is to a business enterprise. So kung sa atin po ang pinaka-importante sa katawan po natin ay blood. Sa business naman, yung tinatawag nilang blood of the business is the cash. We cannot operate the business without cash. Thus, it is a very essential for a business to maintain an adequate balance of cash. For example, a concern operates profitably but it does not have sufficient cash balance to pay dividends. What message does it conveys to the shareholders and public in general? Management of cash is a very essential. So kapag ka marami kang cash in, better. Pero pag marami kang cash out, possible na mabankrupt ang business mo. So these are objectives of cash flow statements. Bakit po tayo nagpe-prepare ng CFS or cash flow statement? Highlighted cash flow from different activities. So there are different activities of a business to be discussed next meeting. Short-term planning. Cash flow information helps to understand the liquidity. Siyempre, kung increasing ang cash, ibig sabihin, um, maganda yung performances ng business. Pero kung decreasing yung cash, poor yung performances ng businesses. So kung ikaw po ay mag invest ang unang mong titignan dun is the cash flow of the business. Kung maganda, okay, ibig sabihin, successful ang business. Kung hindi maganda yung flow ng cash ng business, ibig sabihin, they may encounter different problems about the businesses. Efficient cash management. You can manage the cash of the business by checking the cash flow statement. Kasi doon mo makikita kung kailangan mo pa bang magdagdag ng assets or kailangan mo bang magbawas ng mga expenses or kakayanin pa ba ng cash ng business mo na bayaran yung mga loans or borrowings na meron ka as owner of the business. Prediction of sickness, comparison with budget, and then the cash position. Cash flow statement limitation does not show the liquidity position of the firm because an income statement takes into account for cash as well as non-cash items. Ito yung limitation po ng cash flow statements. For cash flow statements, it will not show you the total liquidity position of the business. Kasi makikita mo po yan sa income statement. So, doon mo makikita kung may pumapasok pa na incomes from your business. So, ang makikita mo lang po sa cash flow statement is yung flow ng cash. Kung marami bang cash in or marami bang cash outs. It is not a substitute of income statement. So, iba ang preparation ng income statement and preparation po ng cash flow statement. Does not show the financial position of the firm in a totality. Kasi kung gusto mo makita yung financial position ng businesses, ang titignan mo po is the statement of financial position or a balance. Distinction between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. So, basis of difference, cash flow flows. Pagdating po sa accounting, basis of accounting, cash flow recognizes cash basis of accounting. So, pag gusto mong malaman yung cash basis ng business mo, ang titignan mong statement is the cash flow. Pero kung gusto mo namang ma-identify yung accrual basis of accounting, for example po, yung working capital ng business, ang titignan mo naman po is yung tinatawag na fund flows. Next, significance. Significance of cash flow, it is useful for short-term financial planning. Kasi nagbabago ang cash flow monthly, nagbabago po quarterly, and nagbabago po yearly. So, nagiging useful po ang cash flow ng short term lang pagdating po sa financial planning. But for fund flows, it's useful for long time or long term financial planning. Schedule of changes in working capital. Such a schedule is not prepared for preparing cash flow statement. Pag sabi po natin working capital, ito yung gagamitin natin to operate the business. Okay? Pagdating po sa cash flow, hindi po yan nakakapag-prepare po ng, ayan, such a schedule is not prepared for preparing cash flow statement. Schedule of changes in working capital is prepared separately. So kung gagawa ka po ng schedule of changes when it comes to capital, working capital, mas makikita mo yung changes, schedule of changes po kapag fund flows ang titignan mo. Kasi yan ay pine-prepare separately. Now, what are the causes of the variation? It studies only the causes of cash variation. Sa cash flow, ang makita mo lang kasi dito is the cash in and then the cash out. While in fund flows, it studies causes of changes in working capital. Dito makikita mo yung yung causes of variation ng businesses, particularly in working capital. Thank you. That's all for today.